What's up, guys? Welcome to Charts and Coffee. Saturday, July 5th. Gonna dig in, just take a look around the macro here. Bitcoin right now, just battling. Man, I tweeted out about it the other day when it was pretty early. We were like right here. And sure enough, we could not clear that B wave high right there. So, I mean, not at all over yet. Still creating higher lows, right? But battling that level. Let's see if we draw a fib out over this whole range. Yeah, I mean, we broke through all major fibs, right? And right now still closed above the 702 even on this drop yesterday. We're gonna have to wait and see. I said it in Charts and Coffee the other day. It was hard for me to imagine crypto having a big weekend with the American holiday. It just seems like in general, people are out doing things. They're busy. It's a big holiday here in the States. So, and I understand that crypto's bigger than just the United States, but the U.S. is a major player in it. So, looking here, like I said, closed above it. I was kind of watching that all day yesterday, and I'm glad to see that this took a little bit of it back right towards the end of the day. Again, I don't think there's really anything to be too concerned about it at present time here with Bitcoin. The dominance still holding on. We talked about this a couple days ago. I'm like, guys, I could see this thing just waddling throughout the weekend. But once we take these lows out right here, it should be time for us to see at least a little bit of acceleration here in the alts. And we look where we're at right now, going back over to the left here on the dominance. Right here. Well, this is the same level we dropped from last time, right? When this thing tumbled in early May. So right around that same level, we're talking about breaking down below like 65%. Should take us outside, these outermost wicks here. And we're just going to have to wait and see, man. But it's close. It's close. Let's hope this thing just keeps consolidating, breaks down. We don't want to see it rip up to the upside. It's been pretty hard to call the top on this thing. But we are either way, whether it's this week, next week, the week after, we are very close to this thing happening. Ethereum, talked about how we were consolidating in this range for a while, broke out and back tested this line. So hold on, let me get rid of some of this stuff. So remember we were talking about this line for a while here. I'm like, oh, we broke down and then we came back up. And for like 5 days, we were just in between the 382 and that upper trend line. It was a resistance. Broke through, and right now we just back tested it. So it was resistance going back to May 9th. Now flipped support. So let's hope that this thing holds here, support, and then we can get moving our way back up here on Ethereum as well. So again, guys, it just feels like maybe these next couple days flat, and we're good with that. Right? Let's wait for next week and let's see what global markets have in store for us. Total 3, still setting higher lows. Still setting higher lows. And also, let's zoom in a little bit here. You can see that we're kind of, over the last couple of weeks, kind of channeling a little bit in here. Let's do this. Right? Sitting in this channel here, still setting higher lows, higher highs. So I'd like to see this thing break out and it not be like a rising wedge that's waiting to break down. Just need a little bit of volume to come in here, but again, I think we're just waiting for early next week. We don't need to dive into the dollar or gold today or the U.S. indices, but guys, that moment is close, man. It's coming. It's right around the corner. It's been really hard to come on here, for the last 3-4 months and just talk about downside, but this next wave is going to make up for it. Wave 3 is where we have a lot of fun. So if you guys could do me a favor, if you can follow, like, repost. I've been doing TA a long time. I just want to help as many of you guys as I can. I released an ebook a couple weeks ago on building the perfect crypto portfolio. You can find that link in my Twitter bio or in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great Saturday. I got a couple more coming out today. I'll talk to you then.